Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Nifa. Yes, as you guys can tell by the title, dinner. I don't know what the title gonna be because I haven't even thought about what the title's gonna be. Red beans and rice and ham. And some more stuff. Big dinner. I don't know. Let's get started. Hey y'all, so I don't know. This is a half of a ham. I don't think I got to put nothing on this ham, do I? I don't have to season this ham up. I don't think I do, because it's already like
Technically seasoned.
yeah. Oh, they got cooking instructions in here. Yes, already seasoned. Carving instructions. Heat oven to 325. Remove all packaging materials. Place ham cut side down on the rack in the shallow roasting pot or pan. Cover loosely with aluminum foil. 15 to 20 minutes per pound, and then we'll have a cooked ham. So how many pounds is this? It is almost 3 pounds. So 15 times 5, 20 minutes times 5. So look, it'll be a while. It still got the bone in, y'all, so I already put the oven on 320, 350, forget 325. This is my way. The stove on, we'll put a little oil in the pan. The oil, it keeps the stuff from burning, you know? I ain't gonna put too high, I'm gonna cook it slow.
It's pork belly, y'all.
I'm making a cucumber salad, so I gotta peel these cucumbers. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Right on the floor. I'm gonna pick it up. You know, I hope you pick it up. Anyway, so I'm gonna just get these. I only got 2, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get them peeled. And that's it, pretty much. We don't want to burn them. And this is just some peppers and onion blend, okay? These are ready. We're ready. Almost getting down to the fun part, y'all, which is the seasoning. But y'all have had smell of this, you can already smell what it smells in the kitchen. What it smells like in the kitchen. Got some garlic. I just dumped it right on in. Before y'all pour y'all, make sure you rinse the top of the can off, because it has trash and stuff on it too. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit. Let them get friendly with each other. I'm gonna add some seasoning to this bad boy. It's gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. So I'm using some kosher salt here. And one of these Goya salad and vegetable seasoning. Y'all better season y'all food up. Nobody eat no bland rice. Nobody eat no bland food. Put a little bit of that on there. Actually, put a little bit of this. Put some black pepper in it too. Oh, y'all heard my knee? Ooh, my knee though. Oh, not that much more black pepper. Just let this sit and marinate a little bit, y'all. Let them get acquainted with one another in here. You know, they like family now. You don't want to cut them too big, and you don't want to cut them too thin. So I got this coconut milk here, right? But it's organic.
It's organic, y'all. Like it's really from the coconut, and they put it in the can.
Oh, it's so good, y'all. See it? It say organic coconut milk. I know some of y'all looking like, what?
No, I don't use that type of coconut milk. That's like the real.
It's just organic, unsweetened organic. Ain't nothing wrong with that. To each his own. Some people use the coconut milk that says Grace on it, or a Spanish coconut milk. It's really to each his own, like for real. I tell you what. You taste my food, you won't say nothing no more. So, I just rinsed the rice off, y'all. Just rinse out my rice. Gotta add some more water, but before I add more water, I need to get in the refrigerator for something. Okay, so I made sure, you have to make sure you equal out the water, and I turned it up so that it can get to a boil. You need to come to a boil. I already put oil in here, but I'm gonna put me some Kerrygold, and I'm gonna taste it and see if I need to add more seasoning. Okay. I put a big old chunk of Kerrygold butter. Don't know how much that is, but that's how much. Put a little salt. And I'm gonna put some wishbone Italian dressing on my cucumbers. Make sure you shake it up. Shake the stuff up, people, so you can get all the good stuff. So I'm cutting the ends off of the squash. I just realized that I don't have an onion. I'm supposed to add an onion to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut up. My hands are washed clean. Don't come for me. So this is the rest. This is the squash. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this pan. Gonna add me some butter. Measure, so don't ask. I ain't gonna say don't ask, but I don't measure, so I don't know how much this is. But do know it is the Kerrygold. I got a can of cream of chicken, so I got the fat-free brand. Do I need butter? I'm gonna go ahead and get everything mixed up, and then I'll be back and show y'all what it's like. Got some sour cream. If I'm not mistaken, y'all, I think I'm doing this right. I don't think I left anything out, do you? Okay. Am I supposed to add cheese to this? No. Breadcrumbs. I almost want to say I'm supposed to add breadcrumbs. No, yes. Oh gosh. Huh, Jason? Mm-hmm. Do you remember me adding breadcrumbs to this?
I don't remember.
I'm trying to think, y'all. Oh Lord, I need to make a phone call. So I'm adding my breadcrumbs, which is cornbread by Pepperidge Farm. I'm just getting everything mixed together, guys. Mix, 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 mix. Going in, guys. All right, let it bake till it's brown on top. Don't overcook it because it'll be dried out. Be back when I show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, this has been a long day for me personally. It is now 8 o'clock at night, and I started this morning before I left for work. I am currently let me see. So I'm going to end this vlog, or end this cooking my way with y'all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. And this is not your normal cooking my way. I apologize for how I came or how this content looked to you at the end. I do apologize again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us at _PictureUsRolling on Instagram, and our gaming channel at PictureUsRolling 2. It'll be in the description down below. And see y'all in the next video. Bye.